The app also has a journaling feature which will allow you to record your thoughts and feelings throughout the day with a very easy calendar to navigate your way around that is collapsible. You can reopen it again by hitting that button and it'll show you which entries you've got. We don't have any at the moment, so let's go ahead and create one. Hit new entry and we can go ahead and select what mood we're in as well. This links directly back to the mood tracker. So we're going to give our entry a little title. It's optional, you don't have to. And then there's a little prompt there that says, what challenge did you face today? They change from time to time just to help you focus your thoughts. But that's what we'll put in and then save the entry. There you are. And now you'll actually see the emoji has changed in the calendar. And there's your entry there. You can add a reflection. So you can actually add to your thoughts. And there you go. There's your first entry there. I had to make some how-to videos. And now you can add to that. There we are. And hit save. And you'll then see your new journal entry there with the date and time that it was added. And voila. That's it. That's your journal. Have fun playing with it.